1. Adding a new print sheet by using the ODBC database. If you have a large number of packages that require different numbers of labels to be made, it will spend you lots of time to make it one by one. ODBC database will help you making amounts of labels all in once. Click the ODBC database menu. Select the data you want to print. Click the Connect button. The message will shows that the database has been successfully connected. Click the text tool and the data source, and select the ODBC. Select data from table. Select the print field and the key field. The model is selected for an instructive example. Back to click on the printer icon at the upper left. Select the required table. Then, you'll see the ODBC dialog box. Select one or more labels you want to print. Select copies of each labels. Choose the page item that will connect your database page field. How to use the counter feature to print the continuous serial label when catching the initial values from the ODBC database. If you want to print a large number of consecutively numbered labels, you have to spend a lot of time making a big pile of data. Using Counter tool will automatically create incremented initial values of data. Select ODBC database settings. Select database type and click Browsing bottom below. We choose the Excel database. Select a database file to which you need to connect. Select the text tool. Select the data source. Select the counter tool. Move to the initial value, then press the button. Select ODBC, which has connected to your database file. Select Sheet 1 in table and select serial number in field. Let's print the initial value for adding number with increments by 1. Select the printer. Select Sheet 1 in table. Choose the data. To print the initial value 8202180111, we want to make 10 sequential numbers. Press Label in the Series button. We will see Print Label Setup, and choose the Sheet 1 to print. To make 10 sequential numbers, press 10. It'll automatically print the numbers from 8202108011 to 8202108020.